Namaste, this is Santa Auntie. In this video, we are going to review how nouns work in past tense Hindi sentences. We will be using the reading material nouns that we've been practicing in class to help us out with this. First, let's review those reading material nouns and make sure we know those vocabulary words. Comic book is just comic book. Email, email. Story, kahani. Magazine, patrika. Graphic novel, graphic novel. News article, news article. Book, kitab. Now, let's add the noun category for each of these. Comic book is stri. Email, pull. Kahani, stri. Patrika, stri. Now I know you're thinking, oh, wait a minute, shouldn't this be pull because it ends with an a? Well, this is one of those ones that doesn't follow the rules. Patrika is stri. Graphic novel, pull. News article, pull. Kitab, stri. Awesome job. Now let's understand how to use nouns in past tense sentences. Let's first understand who is the king of a past tense Hindi sentence. Well, we know that Sher is the king of the jungle. And according to the Little Mermaid, King Triton is the king of the ocean. Well, nouns are the king of past tense Hindi sentences. That means that the verb conjugation is based on the noun quantity and the noun category. It's not based on the person or the subject of the sentence. Let me say that again. The past tense Hindi sentence conjugation revolves around the noun. How you're going to change the noun into past tense is not going to depend on the person or the animal or the subject of the sentence. It's going to be based on whatever noun is being talked about in the sentence. And this is really different from all of the other tenses we have learned. So far, all the other tenses you have learned that the conjugation of the verb changes based on who is saying the sentence or who the sentence is about. But that's not the case for past tense. In past tense, it's based on the object. All right, let me give you an example. Look at these two sentences. She read an email and he read an email. The only difference is he and she. Email in Hindi is email. So let's create these sentences. Usne email. Okay, now, before doing the verb, let's do the other sentence. He read an email. Usne email. Okay, now let's add the verbs. Pada and pada. But wait, why? Is that kind of confusing? For the she read an email question, shouldn't that one be pardi? Because she's a girl? No, because remember, in past tense, the noun is the king. The noun is the king. So the conjugation is based on whether the noun is pull or stri. And email is pull. So that's why it doesn't matter if the subject is a boy or a girl. What matters is the noun category. And that is exactly why we started this video by reviewing the noun, vocabulary, and the category for each. And now that you understand how nouns fit into past tense sentences, you're ready to do some practice problems. But for now, keep reviewing this video and make sure you understand it and all the concepts, and then we'll apply these ideas to practice problems in class. For now, dhanyavad for joining me. I'll see you in class.